Hi guys, good morning, welcome to the channel. Yo, I'm your boy Fellow F. Alright, I want to give you a breakdown of the last two trades we had this week. It's Saturday, so I just want to give a breakdown what I saw and why I had to buy the trades. Okay, why I had to take the trades, sorry. Okay, this is USDJPY. So we'll start with USDJPY. First, we're on the weekly time frame. So what do we see? On the weekly, you see JPY is simply bearish. First, price took out structure somewhere around here. It was the last structural low. Excuse me. Somewhere around here. And it means weekly we are bearish. Okay, so that's the first thing we should take into consideration. Looking at the time frames, we have to take down some text. Okay, so we write here. Say first I want to reduce the size, it's too big. Reduce 24. We say weekly. What the heck? Okay, we take it over again. We say weekly is bearish. Okay, now we know that weekly is bearish, what do? We have to go down to the daily. Okay, personally I always ignore daily, but I want us to do it because it is a simple top-down analysis. So on a top-down analysis, you have to check all the time frames. So what do we see on the daily? You realize daily is bullish because price took out structure somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here structure got taken out, so we automatically became bullish. Okay, now you see we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, all right, so at this point daily is bullish, so write it down, saying daily is, or let's just say daily bullish. Okay, we save this one. Now since we have daily and weekly, let's look at 4 hours. It's from the 4 hours that we will decide our moves. So looking at the 4 hours, you see we are still bullish. Okay, so on 4 hours, when I noticed we were bullish, okay, the trade, you see, this is the trade. I'll still actually I closed my positions because I didn't want to hold it over the weekend, but normally the trade is still open. Okay, the trade is still on, and now we go down to the hourly to get our entries, to get why I entered this trade. Okay, so first, what do? I go to where we have been writing to also mention what we see on the 4 hours. So we say okay, we say 4 hours is bullish. Okay, for us is bullish. So now that we see two time frames are bullish, we have to respect the majority. Okay, we respect the majority until we see a break of structure on the 4 hours before we can think of changing our bias. Okay, so right now we are buying. Okay, we are buying. So looking at what I had here on the hourly, I actually saw this opportunity. Was it on the hourly or 15 minutes? Well, we'll find out. I saw it on the hourly. Okay, but if you go down to 15 minutes, you'll see we had a clear downtrend during this retracement. Knowing that our overall trend is bullish, when price was coming down all the way to this point, I knew that it's just a retracement phase, so I went down to the lower time frame. Let me go down to 30 minutes. Okay, the perfect one is 15 minutes. I started noticing it on the 5 minutes, but this entry was gotten on the 15 minutes. Now I noticed that price made a double bottom somewhere around here, and this was the neckline. You understand? That was the neckline. So let me show you the double bottom I'm talking about. So I noticed price made this and this, then this was the neckline, which means this is where price took out structure around this line. That's why I call it the neckline. So when I realized price coming back into this zone, I wasn't actually in front of the market when these two red candles were made, but I came around 7:30. I noticed this 7:30 bullish engulfing candle. Okay, you realize there's a bullish engulfing candle somewhere around here. Let me expand my charts so that you can see it clearly. My network is not being friendly with us, guys. Okay, so like I was saying, noticing this bullish engulfing, I realized it's a buy opportunity. Okay, because first I realized there was a double bottom and the structure had been taken out after the double bottom. So what was I expecting? A rebalance, and I saw that price had bounced off this and gave me this bullish engulfing on the 15 minutes. This is where I got in, though I got some drawdown because price actually came back down to the bottom of this entry, but I had no problems because my stop loss was few pips below. Let me just, I don't know why my network is really disturbing tonight. The bullish engulfing on 15 minutes. Let me just expand my charts so that I can see it clearly. Let me take off my good. So when I noticed this engulfing candle, right, that's exactly where I got in, at this engulfing candle. And after entering this candle on the 5 minute, the engulfing actually prepared itself earlier, so that's why I got my entry on the 5 minutes. Perfect one. So this is where I entered on this candle, right? Because I realized that, all right, price had come back to this origin and now it was giving me more bullish momentum. So I got in here. I came back, I was in drawdown, about 50% drawdown, but I didn't bother myself because my stop loss was secured. Okay, you know, I also just assumed that in case it goes back against me, it's very okay. That's part of trading. So actually, you see what happened, price came all the way up. Let's go to our hourly time frame. price came all the way up, and we actually ended the week in massive profits, you see. So this was our entry. We entered somewhere around here. Yeah, price came back all the way down, and now we came in massive profit. Right now we had a little retracement, but I was in this retracement. I closed somewhere here before the closing of the week, because I did not want to hold it over the weekend. Yeah, so but I believe maybe when week opens, I'll see the momentum and I'll look for another buy to complete this move, because I'm hoping that price should take out those highs and continue rallying all the way to, let me show you what I'm expecting on USDJPY. Okay, let me give you my forecast. So this is the 4 hour. I'm hoping that price should at least hit this key level, which is 152.00. okay, so that's what I'm expecting at this point. And if we get it, then I think it'll be a very great move. I'm not hoping that price should come back and take out these lows, but I did not want to swing trade this same pair, because I just started trading a UJ recently. I've not been trading it, but I realized it's a good pair. It moves very well, so that's why I decided to now work on it and start trading it. So guys, that's my forecast on UJ, and that's the reason why I took a trade on UJ. The next video I will do tomorrow, that Sunday, will be on GA, that's GBP AUD, Great British Pounds against the Australian dollar. Yeah, so guys, thanks very much for watching my videos. If this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to like, comment, and also hit the notification bell so you receive notification for every new video that I share on the channel. All right, and if you're not on my free Telegram, feel free to click the links below so that you can join us. All right, see you on the next video. Ciao.